If you've been using Seamless.ai for prospecting, you've likely run into this issue before. The quick contact lookups sound great for building pipeline in theory, but in reality, you're getting wrong emails, high bounce rates, and suddenly your deliverability starts to tank. Sure, you get data fast, but speed without accuracy won't help you make more money. What you really need are quality contacts that turn into closed deals. So in this video, we're breaking down the top Seamless AI alternatives, comparing features, data accuracy, and pricing based on real campaign data to see which platform actually delivers. Let's get into it. First alternative is Prospeo. Prospeo delivers the full package: intent data, advanced search filters, CRM enrichment, and a Chrome extension that pulls verified contact info straight from LinkedIn or company websites. But here's what really sets Prospeo apart. While other platforms focus on having the biggest database or the most features, Prospeo focuses on one thing: delivering the most accurate and reliable lead data that actually converts. Every contact goes through a triple verification process, which includes email validation, domain checking, and activity signals in real time. This isn't some static database that gets updated quarterly. It's real-time verification that validates every contact the moment you request it. So let's compare the data accuracy of each platform. To test data quality fairly, we exported 1,000 verified leads from each platform and ran identical campaigns. Same email copy, same ICP, same sequences. The only difference was the data source itself. As you can see, the campaign using Prospeo's verified email data delivered almost every email with just a few bounces. That's not just exceeding expectations, that's setting the new standard. And when it comes to mobile data, Prospeo delivers up to 80% accuracy for verified numbers, with pickup rates hitting 55% across many industries. That means your reps connect with live prospects in just 2 calls on average. And the best part? Everything is completely self-service at just $99 a month. No mandatory sales calls, no hidden fees, no tie-downs to annual contracts, just reliable prospecting data with the features you actually need. Next up is ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo is one of the first pioneers in the B2B data intelligence space. Having built their reputation on being one of the biggest databases with over 320 million contacts and 104 million companies, they offer a complete enterprise package: org charts, decision maker identification, intent signals, and deep CRM integrations. And with SalesOS, you also get conversation intelligence and engagement tools built directly into the platform. But how does their data accuracy across their massive database hold up? Here's what our campaign results revealed. When we tested 1,000 verified leads through identical sequences, ZoomInfo's email data came in at just 63% accuracy. That means over a third of your emails bounce and it never reaches the right inbox. And the price? Minimum contracts start at $15K per year, and that's just for basic access. Most teams we've talked to end up spending around $30 to $50K once they add up all the seats and features they actually need. So if you're a large enterprise with deep pockets and you need every possible feature under one platform, ZoomInfo might be worth considering. Just remember, you're paying premium prices for accuracy that's anything but premium. The next alternative is Apollo. Apollo positions itself as the all-in-one sales platform. You get prospecting, email sequences, a built-in dialer, conversation intelligence, and a basic CRM all in one place. With over 275 million contacts, they claim 91% email accuracy on their website. Quite a bold claim, so we put that to the test. We exported 1,000 verified leads from Apollo and ran the exact same campaign, and the results weren't even close. Apollo only delivered 73% of emails, far off from their advertised 91%. And not only that, but we found their verified mobile data to only be around 65% accurate, with pickup rates hovering near 30%. So in other words, that means you need to make 3 to 4 dials before you actually reach a real person. Pricing starts at $59 per user per month, which seems decent for small teams starting out. But for teams growing fast who may have very specific needs, you might have to consider upgrading to a higher tier plan. If you need everything under one platform and you don't mind sacrificing some of the data quality for convenience, Apollo gives you a lot of the features for the price. But if accurate data is your priority, there are better options. So to recap, every tool serves a different purpose. It all depends on what you need most. If you need the biggest contact database with enterprise features and have serious budget, ZoomInfo is usually the go-to option. If you need an all-in-one platform with prospecting, sequences, and a dialer built in, Apollo gives you everything in one place for a fair price. But if your priority is finding reliable prospecting data that actually convert, then Prospeo is one of the most accurate B2B databases that offer flexible plans to support teams of all sizes. Links to all the platforms are below in the description, so you can go check them out yourself. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped you, and comment below which tool you would like us to review next. And I'll see you in the next video.